It's your boy, man. Out here at Collinger Ford, picking up my new wheel. That big boy right there. It's an F450. About to finally get on the road. Came all the way to Hickory, North Carolina for this thing. But man, we out here at the tint shop, man. He about to get my truck hooked up. About to go ahead and flip this camera so you can see the truck. So you can see how it looks factory-wise, and so you can see how it looks after it's done. There we go. All right, gang, that's it right there. Got me a 2019 F450. Yeah, beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. Loving the truck, man. It's a monster. It's humongous. But yeah, we getting ready to get the windows tinted. We're gonna go with the front windshield tint as well as the front window tint. As you can see, the back windows look like they're like super dark. You can't see them. So I'm trying to match that in the front. So we're gonna see how it turned out though. So I'm just waiting for old boy to get here so he can get the shop open up so that we can get big boy inside and get these windows tinted up, man. Saddest thing turn out, so stay tuned for that. More to come. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm gone. Love the stance of that thing, it's just crazy. Freaking monster. Do a quick walk around here. That turned out real nice. That's 5%, so damn, they really got it darked out in the back. Get out and get some good video of the train coming through. Get some good footage. Ooh, that big boy look good out here. I think out here in the middle of the road. Usually I go the other way, but I was like, this morning I think I'll get out and record the train. Ooh, she looks beautiful out here. Goodness gracious. All right, gang, we out here. We're getting ready to hit this rim. We already done hit it with the Jasco paint, epoxy, primer, whatever, remover right here. I done applied it, as you can see. Paint's bubbled up. About to hit it with a pressure washer and see what it do. Cap's looking like this so far. Still got more to remove off of them, but it's looking a lot better. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, you get the hang of it, you see what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish watching this Escalade. I'm gonna come back to this and let you guys see where we at. Alright gang, we inside of the vehicle. That's 5% on the front, 40% on the windshield. See the difference right here? It's 40% difference right there. And that's the factory tint on the panoramic roof. So we're about to do 40%, which is this right here, which will be over that. So we're gonna see how it turn out. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, you can see right here, man. I got the 40%. nano ceramic, ultraviolet, 99% protection, infrared, 80% protection. So it's gonna block out all of that. So pretty much like right now, I don't feel no sunshine beaming down on my head or on my arms or any of that like I was before. So that was the main reason I had to get this done, and I still maintain my visibility. Like I can still see through it, almost pretty much like it was before. So that's a plus. That's a plus. I just had to tune back into you guys, man. That's a little extra right there with the emphasis on tune. About to slob all out my mouth, but yeah, that's it though. Shit turned out great. Dually wheels about ready. Woo. The inside right there. They're looking real good. Ooh, she looking nice. Ooh. Right, man, we up here at CDT Carolina Diesel Trucks. They just did a lift kit on my baby, man. All right, gang, check it out, man. We just finished removing the lower valence last night, and as you can see, it actually turned out to look pretty good. I'm surprised. The hardware that's exposed actually gives it a more rugged look, I would say. I mean, check it out. I think that looks pretty good. So we're all caught up, man. This is everything I've done to my truck since I've gotten it. I've done the lift kit, we've done the rims, we've done the tint on the front windshield. That's 40%. I got 5% all the way around the rear windows. Got tint on the rear, factory, as well as on the rear, all in the rear. So that's why the rear is so much darker. We got the 4-inch Wicked suspension lift, 24-inch Ford Giottos, Duroline, Ferratas. We did our bed liner, and this turned out so good. Got the bed liner done, and we tinted the sunroof 40% as well. All the tint nano ceramic, so it's like the vehicle is so much cooler when we get into it. And of course, Fox shocks all the way around, which was included with the lift kit. Yeah, man, it was phenomenal. Everything turned out great. I'm happy with everything, and you know, I ain't forgot about my C10, man. I got my C10 here, and I got my 1980 Chevrolet Malibu right here. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, I got that 6.0 in there. Built, no miles on it. Same thing with the one in here. It's got a few hundred miles on it, but not really no miles on it though. So stay tuned with this one, man. I gotta make some changes here. I gotta take all this wiring out. I'm going a different route. Get rid of that ECM. I'm gonna order an ECM from someone else. Got a new fuel regulator and all kind of stuff I'm putting in here. So stay tuned for that. It's coming. It's coming. It's been a little slow, man. It's been so hot. And then I got this truck right here, and I just got distracted with the C10, man. I just had to get my dually right. All right, so yeah, man, that's what it is, man. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Please, man, like, share, subscribe, and yo, in the meantime, man, we're gonna keep this thing coming. Appreciate you guys. Check out my other videos. You know, I got past videos on there. Go to my playlist, C10 playlist, Audi playlist, Mercedes playlist. Got different playlists you can check out. And yo, this is your boy, man. Appreciate it. Like, share, sub, and I'm outie.